In this video, you'll learn how to create a WordPress website specifically designed for tracking PNR status using the RapidAPI platform and the WPGetAPI plugin. By following these steps, you will set up a functional website that can provide users with real-time. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the option labeled Sites in the main menu. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage or create new sites. Next, locate the button that says Create with AI. This option is typically highlighted and will direct you to the site creation tool powered by artificial intelligence. Upon clicking, you may see a loading screen as the system prepares to assist you. After that, you will encounter a prompt stating, laying the foundations. This screen will guide you through the initial setup of your website. It is important to wait for the AI to fully load its features before proceeding, as this ensures you have access to all necessary tools. Once this appears, you will see a message indicating to make a website as unique as you. Here, you will have the opportunity to customize your site. Type in the phrase "Create a WordPress website for PNR status" using RapidAPI and WPGetAPI plugin into the provided text box. Following this, click on the Enter button to confirm your input. This action will allow the system to process your request and move you forward in the setup process. You should see a confirmation message or an indicator that your input has been accepted. Next, there will be a prompt stating that, quote, WordPress.com can make a hotel booking website. You will need to choose an option that aligns with your website's purpose. It is important to select the choice that best fits your requirements. After making your selection, click on Enter again. This step will finalize your choice and move you to the next stage of site setup. Be patient as the system processes your selection. You will then receive a prompt asking for the title of your website, which is what will be displayed in the browser tab. Type in a suitable name for your site to represent its function clearly. Once you have entered the site name, click Enter to continue. This confirmation will help the system recognize your preferences and move forward with the setup. Next, you will be prompted to provide a short tagline or description that will appear in search results and social media previews. This description should succinctly explain what your site offers. Type in your chosen tagline and then click Enter once more to confirm your entry. This step is crucial as it will help define your site's identity to potential visitors. You will now see a button labeled Create My Site. Click on this option to officially begin the creation process. The system will start to compile your website based on the inputs provided. After clicking, a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing," will appear. This indicates that the system is currently working on generating your site, which may take a few moments. Now, wait for the system to generate your website. This process can vary in length depending on server load and your internet speed, so patience is advised during this time. This might take a while, but eventually you will receive confirmation that your website has been successfully created. Ensure that you review your site to confirm it meets your expectations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.